Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 1 from paper January 2021, Pure Mathematics P1. Question 1 is a curve has equation y equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3 over 2 x plus 7 where x is greater than 0. Find in simplest form dy by dx. So equation is given and we need to differentiate with respect to x. Let's get started. So let's write down the equation y equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3 over 2, and x is in the denominator. Let's take it to the numerator so we can differentiate it. Plus 7 and derivative with respect to x. So the formula to differentiate, if I have x raised to power n is the function and I want to take the derivative of it, so derivative of x raised to power n, the formula, the rule says that we write the power next to the coefficient, or we multiply the coefficient with the power and we subtract 1 from the power. Okay, so using this rule, let's multiply the power with the coefficient. So 3 times 2 is 6x subtract 1 from the power. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 5 times 2, the same process, I'll repeat it again. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 3 over 2 multiply with the power and subtract 1 from the power, and that is negative 2. So this is negative 2 and derivative of constant is 0. So let's simplify it. 6x squared minus 5 times 2 is 10x minus positive. So 3 over 2 x raised to power negative 2. Alright, so A part is done. Now let's move on to the B part. The point P lies on the curve and has x coordinate 1 over 2. Okay, find an equation of the normal to curve at P, writing your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c. Equation of normal. Derivative is the gradient. So gradient at x equals to 1 over 2 is, let's find the gradient at x equals to 1 over 2. So let me write down neatly. So dy over dx, so at x equals to 1 over 2 is 6 into 1 over 2 whole squared, negative 10 into 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 into 1 over 2 raised to power negative 2. Okay, so this is 6 over 4, and this is negative 10 times half is 5, and plus 3 over 2 into 1 over 2 raised to power 2, so that power is negative, so we can flip over, so that raised to power 2 raised to power 2. Because power is positive, so we can flip it over. So simplify it, 3 over 2 minus 5 and plus 3 over 2 times 4, and that is, we can simplify it. Let's do it here. In the next step, we can do 3 minus 5 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. 3 over 2 minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1, and this is 3 over 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So gradient at x equals to 1 over 2 is 5 over 2. We need to find the equation of normal. In normal is perpendicular to tangent. So the gradient for normal would be the negative reciprocal. So let's take the negative reciprocal here. So this is negative 2 over 5. Okay, now it's time to substitute in the equation. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Because it passes through, the normal equation is equation of normal to the curve at P. Okay, I need coordinates for P, right? So for that I have P, the x value of P, but I don't know what is y. So we can substitute in the equation and get the value of y. So let's look at the equation. Okay, let's find it here. So y is equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3 over 2x plus 7. Okay, if x is 1 over 2, let's see what is y. So y here is 2 into 1 over 2 cubed minus 5 into 1 over 2 squared negative 3 over 2 x, and x is half, plus 7. Okay, so this is 2 times 1 over 8 minus 5 times 1 over 4, and this is because it get cancelled, minus 3 plus 7, and 1 over 4 minus 5 over 4 plus 4, and let's simplify it. Let's solve it. 1 over 4 minus 5 over 4 plus 4 is 3. So y here is 3. Okay, so this value of y, I'm going to use it to form the equation, normal equation of normal. All right. So y minus 3 equals to negative 2 over 5 x minus 1 over 2. Okay, so let's solve it here. Multiply 5 with y minus 3 in equals to negative 2 into x negative half, and 5y minus 15 equals to negative 2x plus 2 times half is 1. I need to write down my equation in terms of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, so let's move negative 2x to the other side, plus 5y minus 15 minus 1 equals to 0, and collect like terms. So my negative 15, negative 1 is negative 16 equal to 0. Right, this is the equation of normal to the curve at P. So this was question number 1 from paper January 2021, Pearson Edexcel, Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful. You can find the remaining questions from this paper in a playlist. Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AY's Math channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.